Welcome back to the channel, ladies and gentlemen. So in this video, we're going to talk about one of the top credit unions in the country right now, to me, to get personal and business funding. They have great products on the personal and business side. So we're going to talk about that in this video. I'm going to tell you who they pull from. I'm going to tell you how to get into the credit union, how you could possibly get $50,000 on the personal side, up to $50,000 on the personal side, and up to $50,000 on the business side in the form of a credit card, and also some of their other business loan products. Some of those go up to $350,000 and more. Also, keep in mind this video is for information purposes only. The information in this video is subject to change at any time, as lenders and banks will change their information and the way they do their financial applications, their underwriting requirements, and more at any time. So if you want to see more videos like this, subscribe to this channel, hit the bell icon to receive notifications on when I release new videos. We talk about all things business and personal finance. So subscribe, hit that bell icon. If you have any questions during this video, make sure that you comment down below. And like this video if you find this video valuable, and also share this video with someone who would need this information. Also, if you are looking to get help with getting approved for business credit, you don't know where to start, we have a full comprehensive system that helps you get approved for business credit. We give you all of the information as far as what lenders are looking for in order for you to get approved for business credit cards, as well as other types of business financing. Our software trains you on the underwriting requirements, lender compliance, helps you set up your business credit profiles with all of the major business credit reporting agencies. We also give you information on tons of EIN only business credit accounts, such as bank issued credit cards and more. You can also learn how to get equipment financing, car financing with no personal guarantee. Also, we help you with getting all other types of business financing, from real estate loans to SBA loans, so on and so forth. Link will be down in the description box below. So in order to get any of the products on the personal side, of course, you're going to have to be a member of this credit union. So for NIH Federal Credit Union, most people are going to go through the American Consumer Council. So they are a nonprofit organization that actually gives you access to a lot of financial information, as well as access to a lot of different credit unions across the country. So you can get into a lot of different credit unions just by being a member of the council. So as you can see here, they have financial education, as well as audio programs, certifications, and all of that. So when you click on join now, you'll be able to see the different membership benefits, and you could select any of these here and then enter in your information, then click on continue, or you can do it directly through NIH Credit Union. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to membership, click on become a member, and you're going to open up an account. So if you do not want to join the American Consumer Council, you can also join by being a part of the National Institutes of Health affiliation. So an employee, contractor, volunteer, so on and so forth. Or you could be a part of one of their work partner organizations. You can have a family member that is also currently a member. So you're going to need to have your Equifax credit reports unlocked. They're going to do a hard pull on your Equifax credit reports. So make sure that is unlocked. If you want to do a business account, you would have to fill out this information here and submit your information. Then they will contact you with the rest of the details. But it's recommended that you go ahead and just get a personal account first and then set up a business account later. So you're going to select no, you're not a current member, and then click on open an account. Make sure that you have all of your information. They are going to ask you for a driver's license or a ID or even a passport. You have to do a photo copy of that, and then they'll ask you for another form of ID. So 2 forms of ID. Make sure that you have that with you. Open the account by clicking there, and then you're going to fill out this application here. Once you do step 1, you're going to go to step 2 and select which product you would like to start off with, whether it's a checking account, a saving account. Select that. Then you're going to fill out short information, upload your IDs, and then select to join the American Consumer Council. And then you can complete your application after you do that and look at the disclosures. So let's go ahead and talk about the different financial products that they have. So on the personal side, they have different credit cards here. They all go up to $25,000. They have no annual fees. Right now, at the time of this video, they do have some lower rates than a lot of credit unions. So right now, they're starting off with a 2.99 intro APR. So it's not 0% intro APR, but it is a low 3% intro APR for 12 months on balance transfers, and then a variable APR currently between 12 and 18%. So they have the signature cash rewards where you can get 4% cash back for the first 12 months. And then after that, 3% cash back on automated fuel dispensers and service stations, electric vehicle charging, groceries, ride shares, utilities, and wholesale clubs. And then they have the signature travel rewards card that allows you to get 3 times the rewards in auto fuel, dining, electric vehicle charging, ride share, and travel. And then if you spend $1,500 in 90 days, you can actually get an extra bonus of 20,000 points. And then they have a secured credit card that also goes up to $25,000. This one starts with a low variable rate of 13.74%. They will also let you upgrade your card once you have shown payment history of on-time payments with the secured card. So that's on the personal side. For the credit cards, quickly I'm going to show you some of the personal loans. So on the personal loans, their signature loan goes up to $50,000. You can get as low as a 7.24 APR. And they allow you to even skip a payment every 12 months, no collateral required. They also have home improvement loans up to $25,000, personal lines of credit up to $25,000. So great high limits on the personal side. And then on the business side, this is where you can get even higher amounts. So you can get real estate loans, lines of credit, equipment loans, SBA loans, and credit cards. So something really awesome about NIH Federal Credit Union is that they are lending nationwide. So a lot of credit unions will not lend to businesses nationwide. A lot of them will actually only lend to businesses that are registered in their home state that they're registered in, or a certain region where they may have branches. But NIH lends nationwide. So you can purchase or refinance real estate. You can use it for startup loans or starting up a new business or to grow a business, of course, and purchase equipment. So also, unlike other business lenders, they do not require their borrowers to bring deposits and other business banking relationships to secure the rates and terms. So you do not have to have a relationship to get funding from them, but it can certainly help if you do have a business checking account and you start making deposits into that business checking account with them. So their real estate loans go up to $5 million. Equipment financing goes up to $350. SBA loans go up to $5 million. And then they also have working capital loans that go from $100,000 to $350,000. And this is actually a revolving line of credit. So you can draw from it, pay it back, and then use it again. Now for the business credit card, you can get up to $50,000. Rate is current prime rate plus 7.74%. So no 0% introductory APR rate for this particular credit card, but they do offer decent points that you can redeem for travel and statement credits as well as other items. So in order to apply for any of these products, except for the credit card, any of the other products, you're going to have to do that over the phone. But if you want to apply for their business credit card, you would have to click on this link and it's going to take you to a PDF document. So what you're going to have to do is you're going to fill this out. Make sure that you have the proper setup for your business. If you are just now starting your business and you have a startup company, make sure that you have this company properly set up to be compliant with lenders, because they're going to pull your information, and they're going to make sure that you are a legit business. So make sure that you have your LLC set up, your address, your phone number, your website. Make sure that it's matching with the Secretary of State. Make sure it's matching on your EIN documents, your website, and everything. Make sure that your information is matching everywhere. It's best not to use a P.O. Box address or a home address or a virtual address that links to a Staples center, a UPS pack and ship center, or a UPS shipping location, or a mail stop. Make sure that that address is linked to a real office building and none of those other addresses or a home address. Also, make sure that your credit is good. Make sure that you have bare minimum a 680 across the board. Also, keep in mind that once you have that hard pull with NIH, when you set up your personal checking account and become a member, you can use that same inquiry to apply for this business credit card. They won't pull your information more than once if you apply right after setting up your account. But if you wait more than 2 months, I believe they will do another hard pull. So make sure that you go ahead and start applying for your products that you want to apply for before that 2-month time period. Now, things are subject to change at the time of this video. At any time, lenders and banks do updates on their requirements and the way they do business. So this video, of course, is for informational purposes. Again, things are subject to change at any time. Also, again, if you need help with getting approved for business credit, you don't know where to start, you don't know what to do, you don't know how to get approved, we help business owners get approved for business credit and financing. We have a full comprehensive system that goes over lender compliance. It goes over how your personal credit reports need to be optimized. It goes over setting up business credit reports from all of the main business credit reporting agencies. It gives you information on different lines of credit, different banks that we have in the system, as well as different EIN only business credit accounts. We also can help you get other types of financing, such as fix and flip loans, business loans, revenue-based loans, SBA loans, and more. So the link for this will be down in the description box below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.